the CX intelligence dashboard, which I created to analyze all kinds of NPS report using Replit. I built this because Don asked for this couple of days back on my LinkedIn post that he said if you can write code an app which can analyze NPS and organize NPS comments, that would be awesome. So what I did was I built entirely on Replit, and I also built this on Cursor in parallel, but this is how the Replit version looked like. You can see the score distribution trend. You can also see a topic or a heat map. You have some kind of comparative benchmarking that you can analyze. You also have a word cloud, all of this built here. You can also export the report, although the export version is not that great. So you can actually take screenshots from here. The process is very simple. You can log in to the website, or you can land on this website. You can click on analyze your data. By the way, this is a front-end only application, so make sure you delete your API keys once you use them. You can upload the file that you want to add here. Although this app is very custom for Vimeo's use case. But yeah, you can map your fields, and once your fields are mapped, you can enter your company info so that it gives a very context-specific NPS analysis. You can select what kind of report you want. You can select executive package, although it's mentioned $5, it won't take $5. And you can click on continue. You can enter your OpenAI key, and you can click on start analysis, and it will churn out this report. I also built another version on Cursor. This is how it looks like. It's not that great. I messed up the UI. But yeah, the one with Replit turned out to be decent. So I have shared all of this in my newsletter as how I built this, what were the prompts that I used, and what were my learnings while building this in parallel, like both on Cursor as well as Replit.